We have never seen it happen. Not once. In all of human history, nobody has ever watched a solar system being born. Until now. 1,300 light years away. Inside dust so thick that light cannot pass through it, a star is forming. And around it, planets are beginning to exist. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Almost everything we believe about planet formation comes from rocks. Meteorites that fell to Earth, analyzed in a lab. The rest comes from planets that are already finished. 8 worlds, 4.5 billion years old, sitting exactly where they ended up. We know how the story starts. We know how it ends. The middle is blank. Hundreds of thousands of years of the most important process in planetary science, and we had never seen one moment of it. The reason is simple. Stars are born inside dust, and dust blocks visible light. Point an ordinary telescope at a stellar nursery and you see a wall. It begins with a molecular cloud. Enormous. Cold. Particles inside push outward. Gravity pulls inward. For millions of years, those forces stay balanced. Nothing happens. Then something breaks the tie. A supernova detonates nearby. Its shockwave crosses the void and slams into the cloud. The balance collapses instantly. Now gravity wins. Outer material rains inward, faster and faster. The center grows denser, hotter. Nothing stops it. And as it falls, it spins. Faster and faster, like a skater pulling their arms in. The infalling cloud flattens into a disk. A temperature gradient forms. Over 1,000 Kelvin at the center, 400 further out. That gradient is about to matter enormously. Over 100,000 years, most of the mass gathers at the center and ignites. A protostar. The rest stays in the disk, circling. That disk is where planets get made, and it is hidden. In 2013, astronomers pointed the Herschel telescope at Orion, the closest large star-forming region. They found 15 protostars nobody had ever seen, buried in envelopes only 20 degrees above absolute zero. That cold meant one thing. These stars were too young to have warmed their own gas. They were newborns, but finding them is not the same as seeing inside them. For that, we needed luck. And in one object, we got it. A gap opened in the dust. The James Webb Space Telescope looked through that gap. It sees infrared, which passes through dust, and the spectrum showed two things that should not appear together: warm silicon monoxide gas and solid silica crystals. Think about what that means. Gas and solid crystal. Same place, same moment. We were not looking at the result of planet formation. We were watching the exact instant when gas becomes rock. From there, the path is known. Grains stick to grains. Pebbles become boulders. Boulders become planetesimals, kilometers across, and eventually, a planet. 4.5 billion years ago, our own solar system did exactly this. The same collapse, the same disk, the same first crystals. Every atom in your body came from that process. The object is called HOPS 315, less than 150,000 years old, still feeding, still hidden, one faint point in a nebula full of them. And inside it, right now, worlds are beginning.